Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back. Today we're going to be making for breakfast some shredded chicken breakfast tortilla wraps. Super good. Okay guys, so we're going to start by cooking the chicken. So we're going to be pan searing our chicken breast. I season my chicken breast with salt and all-purpose seasoning, and you're going to pan sear it for about 15 minutes or so until the chicken is fully cooked and browned on both sides. Next, in a bowl, I'm gonna crack a few eggs and beat them, then set it aside. Now let's check on the chicken. So it's cooking pretty good and it's looking good. All right, so I'm gonna turn it off the stove once it's fully cooked, and I'm gonna use 2 forks to shred the chicken. Really, you should wait, let it cool a little, but I was short on time, y'all, and I was ready to eat, so I'm shredding mine while it's hot. Okay guys, so let's start to put our wraps together. So the eggs I have in the bowl, I'm basically divided it into 2 or 3, it's up to you. I'm pouring some into the same frying pan I used to cook the chicken. We're building flavors here. And once I pour the egg, I'm gonna place the tortilla on top of it. Lightly press the tortilla into the egg and let it cook for on that side for about 2 minutes or so, then flip it to the other side. Once you flip it to the other side, you could add some cheese. For this recipe, I'm using Swiss cheese because I love Swiss cheese. And I just placed the slice on there and let it finish cooking. I'm also sauteing some veggies that I'm going to stuff the tortilla wraps with. So here I have some diced onion, tomatoes, and jalapeno peppers. Now I'm going to start stuffing the wraps. So I'm adding some of that shredded chicken. This first wrap I'm showing you guys in this video was with only shredded chicken. Okay, I didn't add any of the onion and tomato mixture. So this is just a shredded chicken wrap with cheese, and you want to fold it like I do in the video to wrap it. Basically press on it and let it cook for a few more minutes, like 2 minutes or so, and then you're gonna remove it. And now I'm doing my second tortilla wrap. So this one I'm gonna be adding my tomato, onion, and jalapeno mixture. Here you could add whatever veggies you like in your wrap, okay? And just stuff it with your favorite toppings, fold it. And one tip I have for you guys, if you like your wrap on the crunchy or crispier side, basically let the tortilla side cook for longer once you flip it, and then when you fold it as well. But yeah, that's basically it for this recipe. If any of the filling falls out while the wrap is cooking, you can always just add it on top once you plate the wraps. And I served this, I love serving it with some salsa verde. I found this delicious roasted salsa verde in my supermarket. It's amazing. It goes so well with this, okay? So you guys can look for it or make it from scratch. It's up to you. And just pour a little bit of that on top and enjoy with your favorite salsa, you guys. So that is it for this video. You can keep a lookout for my next video where I'll show you how I make this exact same wrap, but I make it with some maple chicken sausage. Oh my god, it was so amazing. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you do, let me know. If you give it a try, don't forget to tag me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.